Hello everyone. The PhalaPhala farm scandal still haunts President Cyril Ramaphosa. The NFP's Kanan Mdletshe said that last month, Gcalega's office, Koleka Gcalega, the acting public protector, had announced that if they have concluded investigations and that the draft report was going through its internal review structures for quality assurance. The party was therefore calling on Gcalega to release the report before Ramaphosa took to the podium on Thursday night. Mdletshe said, "The reality is that President Cyril Ramaphosa must not deliver SONA this week because he had disregarded and infringed on the country's constitution. President Cyril Ramaphosa must be stopped from addressing the nation, and rather he must leave the office as a matter of urgency. We cannot have a president who abuses his powers and authority by totally ignoring the laws of this country." He said the Member of Parliament should not allow Ramaphosa to address them. "We urge them to disrupt his speech at any given opportunity. The time for our parliamentarians to take a stand is now. They must demonstrate that they are on the side of the people." The EFF leader Julius Malema has also vowed to disrupt the SONA because they don't want to be addressed by Cyril Ramaphosa, and said he must immediately resign because everything is collapsing under him. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.